Hey, Sean.
Yes, Jay?
I was wondering, since we're having KOFY TV come out this Sunday between the hours of 11 to 2 p.m. to do our dog casting, maybe Son and Volkswagen should get a dog.
Like what type of dog?
I already got a dog.
Oh,
Let me show him to you.
Yeah, let me see.
Hey, boy. Yeah, boy. Come down. Come down.
What
It's
a
okay.
big dog.
This is Sean.
Hi. Hi. What are you gonna name him?
Well, that's a great thing. I want to ask all of our customers and our followers to send in their names for the dog. In the meantime, tell them about your specials.
That's right, Jay. If you're looking for a fully electric vehicle, eGolf is the one to go. You can get up to $10,500 off MSRP on this car. How you like that? Or you can get a Jetta SE with only $29.95 due at signing and get a payment as low as $145 plus tax a month. How's that sound? And if you're looking for family and dog-friendly SUV, you can go with an Atlas and get up to $7,500 off MSRP.
Wow, Shop, these deals are slamming. But you know what? Don't forget to tell everyone to come out and see us this Sunday between 11 and 2 p.m. with KOFY TV and our dog casting call. Also, don't miss out on these deals.
That's right, Jay. How about if we throw in a 2-year maintenance as well?
Let's do it.
Let's
He
do it.
really likes it. Thank you.